Everybody wants first pass success when they submit their designs for fabrication. OrCAD X makes that a reality. OrCAD X Presto includes real-time fabrication, assembly, and test checks, covering a wide array of industry standard requirements. All of these can be configured based upon your fabrication partner's guidelines and enabled to give you first pass success. The DFX rules are set up in the Constraint Manager under the Manufacturing category. Here, you can set up rules for fabrication, assembly, and even test. The rules define the required spacing value for different types of object, conductors, holes, or other features. The assembly rules allow you to define the required spacing from each side of each device or category to all other device types or categories in your design. These rules can be exported and reused on future designs, so once you get a set of rules corresponding to a certain fabricator or stackup, you can reuse them, saving you time in the future. Design for assembly rules give you a dynamic heads-up display while moving components, showing you the required spacing margin. This can also be set up to drop the part at the minimum spacing value, allowing you to maximize the real estate in your design. All design true rules are real-time and provide immediate feedback. For example, moving this capacitor creates an overlapping silkscreen text violation. The DRC chart can be used to navigate the different types of fabrication errors, allowing you to find and fix them in your design. OrCAD X Design True provides you with all the fabrication, assembly, and test data you need to get it right the first time.